If you're a project manager or a creative professional, one thing that you always need is to create diagrams for your projects. Something like flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, and SWOT analysis. To create these kind of diagrams, it takes a lot of time and efforts. What if I tell you there is an AI tool out there that can create any kind of diagrams with simple text input? The name of this amazing tool is EdrawMax. You can create diagrams like flowcharts, mind maps, posters, infographics, timelines, tables, SWOT analysis, and all of these different kind of diagrams. There's a huge library of around 30,000 plus editable templates that you can use absolutely for free. You can simply just click on any of these templates and just start customizing. To start using EdrawMax, you can simply just go to EdrawMax and you can try online for free. So you can simply just go to this URL, which is edrawmax.com, or you can simply just click on the URL in description of this video. You can try EdrawMax online for free, or you can simply just download it on your computer. EdrawMax is available on all of these different platforms. You can use it on Windows, Linux, Mac. You can even download EdrawMax app on your phone. You can also use EdrawMax on your tablet. I'm using Windows, so I have downloaded EdrawMax for Windows. You can download it for your required operating system. Or you can simply just click on this try online button and then you can try EdrawMax right inside your browser. Once you log in using your email, it will just ask you about your profession, it'll ask you about your industry. After that, simply just click on start trying, and now you can start using EdrawMax absolutely for free. Let's try creating a mind map. I'll simply just click on this AI mind map button, and now it will open a new tab. Now it will just show us this AI chatbot, and in here we can explain our idea, and based on that idea it will create our mind map. Create a mind map for my project management software that I'm working on. This is a revolutionary AI project manager tool which is designed for small and medium business owners. AI is the central part of this project management tool. So this is just a random idea that I just got. I'll simply just press on enter, and now it will just think for a second, and just like that it has created this mind map. Just have a look at that. Create a mind map for my project manager. This was our prompt, and after that it has just now created this mind map. The first one is revolutionary AI project management tool, benefits, target market. Target market, it has mentioned small business, medium business, project based teams, AI enthusiasts. Benefits, it has mentioned about enhanced efficiency, improved productivity, and in this section of revolutionary AI project management tools, it has mentioned these key features and designed for small businesses and medium business owners. In key features, it has mentioned these different key features, and in here you can see it has created this module which is AI as central component, user-friendly interface, integration capabilities. So it has created this mind map based on very basic simple text input, which is just amazing. Next, let's just create an AI analysis. I'll simply just click on this option and it will open this screen. Now this time I'm actually going to provide this PDF file. I have created this PDF file for my project, so I'm just going to provide this PDF file. So what I'll do, I'll simply just click on this upload file button. I'll simply just choose my PDF file from here, and then I'll simply press on this send button. Now it has created this best analysis for us, and it has created description for each section in here. Next, let's just create a flowchart. I'll just click on this flowchart button. It will open this tab in here, and then I'll simply just provide my requirements, press enter, and just like that it has created this flowchart for our project. It has created all of these different conditions for us. We can fully modify and customize it. We can add a new conditions in here. I can simply just add a new one in here. I'll just choose a shape. I'll just give it a name, and that's it. Now you can actually fully customize your complete flowchart. There's a one-click beautify option in here that helps you to completely customize the look of your AI diagram. So once you have finished designing your diagram, then you can simply just choose any of these themes and templates to completely customize the look of your diagram. EdrawMax also allows you to create circuit diagrams and something like PID diagrams. You can also create these kind of charts and graphs and any kind of graphic design. EdrawMax has these different kind of drawing tools. You can create any sort of smart shapes and personal templates. You can also create something like flow animations, which is super helpful. EdrawMax also has these different kind of advanced tools that allows you to create these different math equations and formulas. There is this QR code tool as well that allows you to insert QR code inside your diagram. So EdrawMax is one of the best AI diagramming tool out there. With the help of AI, now you can create any sort of diagrams in EdrawMax, and also you can access all of these different advanced tools as well. You can try EdrawMax absolutely for free, and do let me know in comment section what you think about EdrawMax. I see you next video. Bye bye.